Yes, I'm going to air fry 2 eggs. Stay tuned. Eggs are done. So we're going to quickly and carefully take the eggs and put it in ice water to stop the cooking. I put it in for 10 minutes. The recipe said 16 for like 6 or more eggs, but because I only had 2 eggs, I did 10 minutes. So we'll give it a few minutes and we'll see. Okay, you guys, here's the final product. I like my eggs a little runny. So let's see the result. Oh, looks like it might be jammy. Ooh, look at this. 10 minutes at 275. And I had 2 eggs, and it's not runny, but it's jammy. So that is perfect. Enjoy. You're welcome.